If you would like to find out more about how your business can get sustainable competitive advantage, come to our workshop. Save the date, 13th of March. If you want to develop or build your business, competitive advantage may be the answer. And it's not just about selling more or even fantastic marketing. There are all sorts of factors that make up sustainable competitive advantage. It can come from many sources. For example, we've seen it and developed it through accurate forecasting. We've also seen it through having great competitor analysis, knowing what they're doing and how they're doing it. And we've seen it through the development of unique knowledge and abilities. And again, being particularly agile in the face of big competition. However, none of these factors are enough by themselves. There's another essential ingredient, and that ingredient we'll be talking about and revealing on the 13th of March at our workshop. So come and join us for our free 2-hour workshop on the 13th of March to find out where your competitive advantage lies. The workshop will be held at the Northern Echo Arena in Darlington. It starts at 9:30 and finishes at 11:30. However, get there early from 9 o'clock onwards for some great networking. You can book through Eventbrite. There should be a link on wherever you're seeing this video. So that's Competitive Advantage, brought to you by Strive Mentoring and featuring me, Jeff Fitzpatrick, and also Sharon Hutchinson. We'll see you there.